We're documenting Audrey's infancy here, marked by hiccuping. We haven't quite figured out how to get rid of them yet, but even while Shatrine was pregnant, she hiccuped. Just like your mommy hiccups too all the time. Alright, I'm going to try and scare him out of her. So zoom out. Ready? You ready, Audrey? Hiccup! Hiccup away! Hiccup away! No. Johnny, can you scare him out of her? Johnny, what's going on? Get rid of the hiccups. Get rid of the hiccups. No. Get rid of the hiccups. Get rid of the hiccups. Hey, no licks, John. No licks.
All right, and they continue.